Today is December 8th, and I've got a new set of guys here today, the electricians. All right, so I've got Oscar and Danny here today, putting in cans. Those are the cans above me, right? Those are called cans, the light fixtures. I just learned that today. We got boxes, right? These are just called boxes.
Those are adjustable boxes, yeah.
Adjustable boxes. They're all blue. There's Oscar behind me doing some roping. He's running the wire through the wall. It's called roping. Who knew? Putting in the sub panel. Here they are putting up the new 200 amp panel. Look at that super fancy new thingamabob connector thing that connects the electricity to the house. It's 5 p.m. The electricians were working all day. Look at that brand new matte finish. That's not really matte, that's just metal. And look at that, it's connected to the roof with a new shiny tube. It's grounded, so they connect ground wire 7 feet down into the ground, as well as to our water main line. I don't know why that is, but that's what they do.
Power's on.
Woohoo! What did we learn today? Well, I learned a lot about electrical jargon. You got cans, boxes, and you've got roping. Why do they have all these fun words? I don't know, but it's fun, and now you know them. And also, I learned the importance of being grounded. Not grounded like you're a teenager in trouble. No, grounded as in you're connected to the ground in the back. If you have excess energy building up, it's going to the ground. You're grounded, young man.